Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue the Linux operating system basic commands demo, and today I'll be showing you some of the few beginner levels commands, how that work, and how do we make such files, folders, and those things, directories, and all of such things. So first, let's begin with the yeah, let's begin with creating a file for and directories. First of all, this is my I'm in the home a home root label in the beginning of my folder. So if I do ls, then it will just show Concordia and Spring 25. There are only two directories I have created inside it, and only two are Concordia and Spring. ls means list, that shows the list of the all the list of the files and directories that are available. So let's make one file, uh, dots file 1.txt. Dots me in Linux, dots commands are used to make a file. So see, you can see here file 1.txt has been appears over here. So I'm gonna make another one more group. Rather than group, I would say that I'm gonna make a one more directories. Mkdir make a directory, and now after this enter a directory name. Okay, demo Linux. So when we will ls, then we can see demo linux file 1.txt. These are the two things that we have created just now. So now I'm going to move the file 1.txt into the demo linux. For that, we have to, first of all, we have to write mb, stand for the move, and file 1.txt to demo Linux. So when you enter it, now file1.txt has been moved to demo Linux. Let's see. I see, you cannot see over here. So now I'm going to move inside the demo Linux. So before that, I'm gonna check where am I, where am I working, my present location in the computer. So for that, pwd, that means present working directory. So it is showing that home Raj. Inside home there is a Raj called Raj, and I'm working in that. But when I'll type cd change directory and the name of the directory, then now I'm moving inside the demo Linux. So pwd, that's now it's showing that I'm inside the demo Linux. So when I'll do ls, then I can see a file linux file 1.txt, which we moved from the first home directory to inside, from home directory to demo Linux. So now we are going to open the file 1.txt, pico file 1.txt. So while writing a pico will open the file, so you can type anything. Hello everyone, I'm Kumar Kiri. Today we are going to uh, make a Linux COMMN command video. Keep watching the video, and thank you. That's it. So I'm writing here. So now I have to save it. To save that, I have to do Control and O, then press Enter, exit. So I have already written something in the file called file1.txt. So if I have to copy that all the text into another new file, then I have to write cp, that means copy from file1.txt to now new file that you want to create, that is uh, new, new file.txt. So if I see, if you'll see inside the now, if we'll do ls, then we can see both new file.txt and file1.txt. So let's open the new file.txt. For that, again you have to type pico new file.txt. Then we can see all the things that we have written in the file.1, the file1.txt, and we have got here too. Again, so now let's see the all the permission security features that have listed for the some of the files. Before that, I'm going to make a get your one more directory. That would be Linux, and so here is one Linux directory and two other files, and ls-l. This is a long listing form where you can find every security models, where it was, when it was created, what time, and its size and everything. So you can check over here. There are the permission for the group, other, and owners. So only for the Linux there is a permission of x means executable permission, but for the new file and the file one, there isn't any executable permission. So we are going to add the executable permission to the file. One of the file, either new file the txt or file1.txt. So for that, uh, we'll be doing chmod command, chmod command to the others. Plus means this is an operator that we use while adding the permission. Plus x means executable permission to all the files that contain new. So let's put on the file 1.txt. This means that CS mode will be applied to all the other all the other groups that executable permission will be permitted to all the files starting with fi and ending with .1.txt. So again, let's see that has changed or not. So we can see here clearly, you can look at up and down, you can see clearly that executable file permission has been given to others. So after this, what we have to do is how to remove the file. So to remove the before removing the file, let me show you how to see without going using a torch for command, how to check the content of the file inside the file. So for that, more new file the txt, then you can see all the content that are that was provided, but if there are a number of lines over there, then you can use header or head tail, those items where you can see just five or 10 lines on the top of the top 5 lines for the head, and for the last 10 line for the uh, tail command. So for before that, let's remove the new file, the file1.txt. Then we can see that there is only Linux and new file.txt. So to remove the directories also, we have to rmdir, that means remove directory, and Linux, that means we have removed the Linux also. So again, we are going to remove a new now where I'm going to clear all the things that are have mentioned, all of these written, all of these things to clear this. See all here clear. So my screen is clear. Now ls, I have just new file the txt. So finally I will remove this one to remove. Then at last we don't have anything. So hope you guys learned something, beginners Linux command. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon again.